Weren't they adorable? Let's appreciate their efforts with a big round of applause.
Before embarking towards today's program, it is important to invoke the blessings of the remover of obstacles, the harbinger of wisdom and prosperity, Lord Ganesha. With joy and devotion, let us welcome our lovely classic performers on stage for a special invocation ceremony.
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने
Loudest appreciations to the students for their beautiful presentation, which sets the tone for a lively and beautiful event.
We hearty welcome to Mrs. Mittal Dhakra, the Self-Finance School Association trustee member to our Vapi Public School for 25th Annual Day celebration. We recognize the presence of our trustee member Snehal Kotaria sir and Vipul Kakaria sir to our 25th Annual Day celebration Chanakya. We welcome everyone. Thank you.
25 years ago, Vapi Public School was founded with the noble motto Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. From a humble beginning with just 8 students, under the visionary leadership of Dr. Alpa Kotadia, VPS has grown into a flourishing institution, upholding values of culture, unity, and inclusive education. As we celebrate this remarkable 25-year journey, let us enjoy a graceful dance performance by our Class 1 Shining Stars, set to a beautiful song composed by our music teacher and rendered by our own students, celebrating the glorious journey of VPS and many more years of success ahead.
We've come so far, together hand in hand, 25 bright years across this loving land. From every corner Let's walk together in harmony as one family, strong and free. One God, one knowledge, peace and love for all. VPS forever answers the call. Cultures blend and dance, traditions proudly shine. Respect and joy, every festival a sign. With wisdom as our path and kindness as our aim. Unity and caring, VPS shines its name. We celebrate our journey, proud and true, bridging every gap, building dreams to pursue, holding hands together, joining minds to unite. The world is one family with the VPS light. Let's walk together in harmony as one family, strong and free. One God, one knowledge, peace and love for all. VPS forever answers the call. Let's walk together in harmony as one family, strong and free. One God, one knowledge, peace and love for all. VPS forever answers the call.
Let us hear a big round of applause for our little shining stars for their wonderful and electrifying performance.
જય જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ. ભારતીય શાસ્ત્રીય પરંપરામાં ભક્તિનું અદ્વિતીય સ્થાન છે. શ્રી કૃષ્ણ શાશ્વત, અચ્યુત અને કરુણાસાગર છે. આ દિવ્ય સ્વરૂપને સમર્પિત અચ્યુતમ કેશવમ પર આધારિત આ નૃત્ય પ્રસ્તુત માત્ર અભિવ્યક્તિ નથી, પરંતુ પ્રાર્થનાનું સ્વરૂપ છે, જે કૃષ્ણ ભક્તિની દિવ્ય અનુભૂતિ કરાવે છે. ચાલો સૌ સાથે કૃષ્ણ ચેતનામાં લીન થઈને આ ભાવસભર નૃત્યનો આનંદ લઈએ અને ધોરણ 2 ના બાળ કલાકારોને તાળીઓથી આવકારીએ.
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज, देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज। मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी, मन मंदिर में सजे बिहारी, मनमोहन तेरी छवि अति प्यारी, बंसी बजैया रास रचैया, तारनहार मेरे तुम ही के भैया, तुमसे बड़ा कहाँ कौन कन्हैया। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। देवकी नंदन तुमको वंदन रखते सबकी लाज, सबके स्वामी अंतर्यामी पूरन कीजिए काज।
वाह, खूप सुंदर प्रस्तुती, धन्यवाद.
It is our proud privilege to invite a visionary leader and an inspiring educationist, Dr. Alpa Kotaria, the founder member, executive director, and senior principal of Vapi Public School. Echoing Chanakya's timeless wisdom, education is the best friend, and an educated person is respected everywhere. Alpa ma'am has exemplified this belief through her unwavering commitment to shape minds and nurturing values. Beyond her pivotal role in building VPS, she has been appointed as the Principal Sports Coordinator of CISCE Northwest Region, representing one of the 14 zones across India. A true testament to her leadership at the national level. Her recently launched biography, Tapolata, now available on the VPS app, reflects her remarkable personal and professional journey, marked by resilience, dedication, and purposeful leadership through every challenge. A recipient of numerous accolades, her recent honors include the Award of Honor for Best Principal by the National Edu Trust of India, registered under MSME Government of India, and the prestigious Best SDG School Award by Niti Aayog and CED. We are truly honored to be guided by a leader who embodies the wisdom of Chanakya, where knowledge, discipline, and vision shape a strong future. It is my profound honor and immense pleasure to welcome the quintessential symbol of visionary leadership and an inspiring educationist, Dr. Alpa Kotaria, to share her thoughts and take us through the inspiring glimpses of VPS journey. Rajashri Tandel, District Education Officer, Valsad, to Vapi Public School for our 25th Annual Day celebration. We welcome you, ma'am, to our school for a theme-based annual day, Chanakya Gyanam Paramambalam. Thank you. A single flame has the power to dispel darkness and awaken the light within. The lighting of lamp is a timeless symbol of knowledge, purity, and enlightenment. I invite Alpa ma'am to accompany our esteemed guests and dignitaries to kindly come forward and light the ceremonial lamp and mark the beginning of this auspicious event. Thank you.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् धनसम्पदः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हर्तु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guest, parents, colleagues, and my dear students. Namaste and a great morning to each one of you. Udyamena hi siddhyanti karyani na manorathe. Success is achieved through sincere effort, not merely by wishful thinking. As we reflect upon the proud journey of 24 years of Vapi Public School, this timeless wisdom of our sages finds true meaning. When we look around at our well-planned campus, progressive infrastructure, innovative curriculum, and enriching programs, we realize that these achievements are the results of visionary leadership, teamwork, punctuality, consistent hard work, and strong faith in our cultural values. For more than 12 years, our school has been proudly affiliated with CISC, whose child-centric curriculum has enabled us to design an inclusive, skill-based, and holistic academic framework aligned with NEP 2020, Sustainable Development Goals, and 21st Century Skills, thus supporting our vision and mission. We have introduced home science, applied mathematics, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Home science is a multidisciplinary subject covering textiles and clothing, food and nutrition, human development, consumer studies, education, communication, extension, and research management. I am proud to share that our first batch of 12th home science students and our first batch of AI and robotics students will be appearing for their board examination this year. We wish them a great success. Academic excellence continues to be a hallmark of Vapi Public School. We achieved 100% board results, a moment of pride moment for the entire school community. In the ICSE examination, 19% of students scored 90% and above. 68% of students scored 75% and above. In the ISC examinations, 12% of students scored above 90%, and 46% of students scored 75% and above. These results reflect disciplined preparation, committed teaching, and personalized mentoring. Our alumni continue to make us proud. In last 3 years, 3 alumni secured admissions to IITs, 3 alumni secured admission to MBBS, 19 alumni are pursuing engineering, and 1 alumnus gained admission to a premier IIM, reflecting the strong academic foundation and guidance provided by the school. Career readiness remains a key focus area. Aptitude tests are conducted systematically. We have mentor-mentee program, enrichment session, tea time talks by professionals. Our parents also contributed for the same, and I would like to thank those parents too. This year, around 25 universities participated in our career guidance fair, and nearly 350 students benefited through meaningful interaction, exposure, and counseling. The VPS Learning app has been effectively used by students and teachers and has been widely appreciated as a valuable learning resource as it has watch, think, play, and solve activities. At Vapi Public School, learning goes beyond the classrooms. Our clubs, Interact Club, HSGA Club, NCC Club, IIMUN, that is India's International Movement to United Nations, and Marketing Club help students to develop leadership, to develop their social responsibility, teamwork, and practical skills through initiatives like donation drives, the garage sale, and event planning. Experiential programs such as stargazing, exhibitions, workshops like SQ4R techniques, storytelling, mind power, and leadership sessions foster curiosity, memorization skills, critical thinking, and communication. Co-curricular activities, including the fun fair, academic and co-curricular exhibitions, blood donation camps, karate, Mehdi yoga, and Utkarsh yoga sessions, along with regular yoga classes, rifle shooting, and SUPW, support holistic growth and cultivate essential life skills, including financial literacy. Among our accolades, the Green School Award by CED holds special significance for integrating SDGs, that is Sustainable Development Goals, into the curriculum. I am thankful to CISC for introducing Active CISC program for class 1 to 12 in alignment with NEP 2020, integrating physical fitness and sports assessment in the curriculum, providing personalized fitness report cards. Thus, students' fitness can be tracked throughout their schooling. Let me share with you that CISC is the only board who has introduced the Active CISC program. I am pleased to highlight the growing emphasis on sports alongside academics. In alignment with the SDGs of gender equality and physical and mental well-being, the school ensures equal opportunities for both boys and girls. At our sports days, boys and girls competed in the same events, demonstrating skill, teamwork, and fair play. Our students have excelled in national level ASISC competitions, particularly in yoga and taekwondo, bringing laurels to the school. They have also performed admirably in regional level debate, extempore, and general knowledge competitions, showcasing exceptional stamina, confidence, and collaboration. I am pleased to announce the co-curricular participation and achievements. In individual events, a total of 236 students' participations were recorded. At zonal and taluka level, 178 participated, 32 gold, 29 silver, and 23 bronze medals were achieved. At regional level, there were 40 participants, 5 gold, 5 silver, and 7 bronze medals were achieved. CISC Gujarat state level, there were 18 participants and we received 3 bronze medals. At CISC national level, 11 participants represented our school, and in team events, 68 teams participated. Zonal and taluka level, 35 teams, 16 gold, 8 silver, and 4 bronze medals. At regional level, 22 teams participated, 9 gold, 3 silver, and 3 bronze medals. At CISC Gujarat state level, 11 teams participated, Overall, students secured 25 gold, 11 silver, and 7 bronze medals in team events, reflecting their teamwork, discipline, and competitive spirit. I congratulate all my students who participated in co curricular and curricular activities. It is
Okay, so a proud moment for all of us. Our student Preksha Patel from class 9th is participating in SGFI handball tournament representing CISC national team, and we are proud of her. She started playing today and the match is going to be for 3 days at Somnath. And yes, dear all, VPS has always presented theme-based annual days. Last year we had Bhagavad Gita. We had a lot of learnings from Bhagavad Gita. And this year we have Chanakya, a timeless guide to leadership, governance, and definitely strategic thinking. I wish that all of you who are sitting here would enjoy today's Chanakya drama, I should say, what we are presenting here, and take back lot of learnings. Let us enjoy this moment and keep our mind open for learning. I wish my children and teachers and the staff members all the best for putting up this beautiful show. Thank you, and Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.
Thank you, ma'am. Every word reflected not just achievements, but the dreams, dedication, and countless silent efforts and shape of Vapi Public School. Thank you. We gratefully recognize the presence of our revered trustee member, Mr. Naveen Bansal of Vapi Public School, whose faith, dedication, and commitment have transferred a vision into a thriving center of learning. We welcome you, sir, to Vapi Public School. Thank you. I take the honor and privilege to introduce the distinguished guest whose dedication and contributions to the field of education has been truly inspiring. She plays a crucial role in shaping the educational landscape of our district. Let's welcome with huge round of applause Dr. Rajshri Tandale, the District Education Officer, Valsad, to Vapi Public School for our 25th Annual Day celebration. We welcome you, ma'am. Affectionately known as Lok Ladila, Dr. Rajshri Tandale is widely admired and deeply respected for her people-centric leadership. Her approachability, vision and dedication have won her immense goodwill across the district. Ma'am has a 25 years of wonderful professional journey. She began as Vidya Sahayak, primary teacher in year 2000. Continued to hold many designations like CRC coordinator, SRG English, nodal officer in various projects, education inspector, principal, and today she holds the prestigious post of DEO. No doubt that her unwavering commitment to academic excellence, student welfare, and innovative learning strategies has made significant contributions to the field of education. Her passion for innovative teaching and educational reforms has earned her prestigious accolades, including the Best Teacher of Gujarat State Award in 2016 and the National Innovation Award in 2019. These honors reflect her outstanding dedication, creativity, and impact in the field of education. Ma'am has significantly contributed in policy matters, syllabus designing, textbooks of English for class 6 to 8, various project management like school development, teacher training, and student engagement. As a visionary leader of our district, she continues to be a guiding force, inspiring both educators and students to strive for excellence. Let us all extend a warm welcome to Dr. Rajshri Tandale with a big round of applause. We welcome you, ma'am. As Chanakya reminds us, true leaders are those who guide, protect, and uplift society through wisdom and righteous action. Today we honor such leaders amongst us. I invite our Executive Director and Senior Principal Alpa Ma'am, along with the District Education Officer Rajeshri ma'am and our Chief of Examination and Outreach Program Rekha ma'am to felicitate the dignitaries. We now take this proud moment to felicitate the esteemed trustee members of Vapi Public School. I invite upon the stage Mr. Mansukh Kakaria sir, Mr. Subhash Kotaria sir, Mr. Naveen Bansal sir, Mr. Vipul Kakaria sir, and Mr. Snehal Kotaria sir, whose vision, guidance, and unwavering support continue to shape the growth and excellence of our institution. May I request our trustee members to please kindly come on stage. Audience, keep clapping. Dear audience, we have inspiring torchbearers of education on the dais. Keep clapping and recognize their presence. It's an honor for Vapi Public School. Yes, we are definitely missing Naval sir today. Thank you everyone. Thank you sir. Thank you ma'am. We now have the honor of felicitating Mr. B.N. Dave, Deputy Superintendent of Police of Vapi. We sincerely acknowledge that the concept and vision behind the Cyber Safety Awareness Initiative were conceived by Mr. Dave, reflecting his foresight and deep commitment to safeguarding students and society in the digital age. His proactive leadership and dedication to public service have been instrumental in promoting responsible and safe digital practices. May I respectfully request Mr. B.N. Dave sir to kindly come on stage as we felicitate him with our sincere gratitude and high regards. It is our honor to felicitate the respected trustee member of the Self-Finance School Association representing various schools across the Valsad district. Their collective vision, cooperation and unwavering commitment have strengthened the cause of quality education beyond individual institutions. Through unity of purpose and clarity of leadership, they continue to guide schools with wisdom, integrity and foresight, ensuring that education remains progressive, inclusive and value-driven. We welcome Mrs. Mittal Dhakra, the Secretary and State Federation Karobari, and Mr. Vipul Bhai Panelia from Rajkot, the Treasurer of Self-Finance School State Federation. And not the least, Dr. Alpa Kotaria, who is the President and State Federation Karobari of Self-Finance School Association Valsad Committee members.
Okay, so let me take an opportunity here. Today morning we had one edu walk. I think all parents had received an invitation at Gunjan GIDC, morning 6 to 9. So I would like to, thank Dave sir. He was there and 4 police stalls were there. And those stalls were about traffic, drug addiction, awareness, narcotics, then good touch, bad touch, and cyber safety. And it was really very good. So we thank Dave sir for doing this for the society. Thank you so much. And let me congratulate Dr. Mittal Dhakra as the Secretary of SFS Valsad. She took this initiative of EduWalk, and definitely I am the President Mittal is the secretary, and we have wonderful team of self-finance school Valsad district. And this was, it reflected the unity between the schools, and the schools, it showed that we don't compete with each other, but we collaborate. So 50 schools, 54 schools had participated, and we had really today amazing morning. And though after that tiring morning they are here, thank you so much. And yes, Vipul sir, he is from Rajkot, all the way he has come from Rajkot for morning event EduWalk. Let him give a big round of applause. He is the treasurer of State Federation. So we thank Vipul sir for being here. And yes, this EduWalk was the first of its kind, not only in Gujarat, I should say, in the country. And special thanks to our local Adida, Dr. Rajeshri ma'am, for being there at morning also. Morning 5:45 ma'am was there. And right now also again she is back here. She goes to Billimora and comes back. That's the spirit we have in our education field. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Definitely the EduWalk was an inspiring initiative. We now felicitate Dr. Anju Nayak, our academic advisor, a constant source of guidance and inspiration. Her wisdom, dedication, and gentle mentorship have strengthened the academic soul of Vapi Public School. May I request Dr. Anju Nayak to kindly come on stage as we honor with her heartfelt gratitude. Thank you.
Yes, Anju ma'am is on our advisory board from Mumbai, and she has a lot of experience in the field of education. I thank her for being here all the way from Mumbai just for this Chanakya. Thank you so much, Anju ma'am. She is an academic advisor, and definitely whatever you see the school as a system driven, she is a part of our NABET training, and she has helped us to bring NABET to our school. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Alba ma'am, you are requested to be on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to honor those who have demonstrated exceptional dedication, hard work, and brilliance in their academic pursuits. These students have not only excelled in their academics, but also set a benchmark for others to follow. Starting with our ISC toppers, let us welcome on stage Starting with our ISC topper, let's welcome on stage Master Krish Shah, Valsad district topper and commerce team topper. I request DEO ma'am to please come on the dais to felicitate our toppers. Krish has made us proud with his 98.25% marks and subject topper in mathematics with 98% marks, accounts 95% marks, economics 98%, and in subject commerce 100 on 100. Huge round of applause for Krish Shah. I request the parents to please come on the stage. Let's keep the hands rolling, as he has definitely made us proud being the Valsad district topper in the CISC schools. I call upon the stage, and he has got the admission in IIM and he's pursuing his further undergraduate degree there. I call upon the stage ISC science stream topper Miss Jenny Shah with 95% marks and subject topper in environmental science with 98% marks. I request Jenny, if you are here along with your parents, please come on the stage. Miss Ishani Bhattacharya, ISC humanities stream topper with 94.5% marks and the subject topper in sociology with 98%, psychology with 92% and political science with 86% marks. Loudest round of applause for our student Ishani and Jenny. Jenny's parents can accompany on the stage, please. Let's put our hands together for ICSE topper Miss Harmi Rajput with 97.6% marks and subject topper in geography with 96%, English literature with 98%, environmental science with 99% marks, and in economics with a 100% marks, that's 100 on 100. Let us motivate our shining stars with the loud, cheerful, and continuous round of applause, dear audience. Chanakya believed that true power lies in character, discipline, and wisdom. Today we felicitate a student who lives these very ideals. I request Alpa ma'am and our guest of the day to felicitate the student who is not just an achiever but a reflection of dedication, perseverance, self-discipline, and deep-rooted values. A true embodiment of our school's culture and thinking. He is soft-spoken yet guided by strong conviction and unshakable willpower. The recipient of the Outstanding Student of the Year award goes to Master Harsh Arun Kumar Mistry of Class 12 Science. I request B.N. Dave sir to please come on the dais to felicitate our outstanding student along with ma'am and DO ma'am. Like Chanakya's teaching, his excellence is quite purposeful and enduring, an inspiration to every learner present here. I request Harsh and his parents to please come on the stage. Let's clap for Harsh Mistry, being the outstanding student of the academic year 2025-26.
Thank you. Thank you.
In the heart of ancient India, a tale unfolds. The scene unfolds in a Brahmin's house near Patliputra, where a baby boy is born. Villagers and friends gather, adding to the joyous atmosphere. The city of Patliputra is about to witness the dawn of an extraordinary journey. At the heart of it all is Chanakya, a child destined to imprint his brilliance on canvas of history, who would one day shape the destiny of a nation.
The birth of our son Chanakya has brought a radiant dawn to our lives. May his journey be as luminous as this sunrise. Look at his tiny hands, as if reaching for the stars. He is destined for greatness.
Indeed, the sparkle in his eyes mirrors the limitless potential within. Our Chanakya will leave a mark on the world.
On this auspicious day, I bless the child Chanakya. May his mind shine brighter than 1,000 suns, dispelling the darkness of ignorance.
The villagers get the joyous news of childbirth in Chanak's house. So they come and gather around the child and smile while looking at the child.
Did you hear it? Chanakya, the beacon of wisdom, is born today.
What makes this child so special? His birth is marked by a cosmic alignment. It is said that such souls come to earth to fulfill a grand purpose.
In the heart of Patliputra, a tale unfolds, a brilliant mind destined to uphold Chanakya, our guide, in wisdom bold.
Why are we celebrating? Who is Chanakya?
Young one, Chanakya is no ordinary child. He is destined to leave a mark on the pages of history. Today, we celebrate the promise of a brilliant mind.
Rejoice, villagers! Chanakya, the harbinger of wisdom, is born amongst us. Let the news echo through the streets of Patliputra.
Do you really think Chanakya is special, like destined for something grand? They say his birth coincided with a rare celestial event. Maybe he is touched by the gods. I want to meet Chanakya. What do you think he will do when he grows up?
Who can predict the ways of destiny? But mark my words, Chanakya will be a guiding light for our land.
Today, we celebrate not just the birth of Chanakya, but the promise he holds for our future. Let his brilliance illuminate the path of wisdom for the generations to come.
Chanakya was born with a full set of teeth, which was a sign that he would become a king or an emperor. But since he was born in a Brahmin family, it was considered inappropriate. Thus, his teeth were broken, and it was predicted that he would make another person a king and rule through him. Even as a child, Chanakya had the qualities of a born leader. Chanakya's story teaches us that from the humblest beginning can emerge greatness. Every individual, like a seed planted in fertile soil, has the potential to grow into a towering tree of wisdom and virtue.
चाणक्य जन्म के मंगल अवसर पर आइए देखते हैं हमारे कक्षा 3 के छात्रों का एक सुंदर कोमल भावों से परिपूर्ण एक नृत्य प्रस्तुति निंदिया, जो मातृत्व, प्रेम और वात्सल्य का सुंदर चरित्रण है। इसी बेहतर प्रस्तुति पे खूब तालियां हो जाए